today's AQA required practical, we will be doing microscopy. What you will need for this practical are the following: a microscope, onion, a tile, forceps, scalpel, microscope slide, glass cover slip, some iodine solution, and a ruler. First things first, put my goggles on. Then I'm going to slice a small piece of onion and extract the thin layer of cells. As you can see there, I'm going to place that on my microscope slide, flatten it out, and then put a couple of drops of iodine solution. This will stain the starch in the cells, and then you can see it more clearly under the microscope. Then I will put a glass cover slip carefully on top, and I will gently put it down so there's no air bubbles. Give it a little tap if you need to, and it should look something like that. What I'm going to do now is put this under the microscope. And start with the lowest magnification, which is 4. And remember that the eyepiece also has a magnification of 10. Therefore, I'm looking at the cells at 40 magnification. Okay, I can see it very clearly. If you want to look at it more clearly, you can change your objective lenses to more powerful ones. So this is the times 10. And this is the times 40. Now what you would do is use a ruler, make sure it's a clear one, and you will put it under the microscope and measure the cells. So what you will do is 1 millimeter, and you will see how many cells fall in that 1 millimeter, and that's what you will record. You will need to know the following formula: magnification equals size of image over size of the real object. You'll rearrange the formula so that you can work out the size of the real object. So you know the size of the image, which is 1 millimeter, and how many cells fall into that millimeter, you divide it by that many. And then you put it over the magnification, and I've used 10 times 10, which is 100. And that's how you work out the size of the real object. You can use some pre-made slides for the measurements too. I have small intestines here. I have the skin, ovaries, some trachea. You can use anything to do the measurements.